Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this tutorial you will learn how to make these types of text animation in After Effects. Without further ado, let's get started. First create a new composition here. Okay, I will take wide 1920 and height 1080 and frame rate 29.97 and duration will be 5 seconds. Okay, now let's first create a new solid layer here and I will take black. Okay, make it lock. Okay, now use text layer. Here I will type anything you want. I will type like a liquid. Okay, and the font I will choose like Poppins. Poppins font. Okay, I increase this size. Okay, and align it. Okay, perfect. Now don't touch like liquid text layer, only like anything, and make it like cover this text. Okay, so totally fine. Now go to effect and presets. Here like wave form. Okay, now use this effect in shape layer 1 and it's totally wave effect, so increase this wide a little bit. It's totally your own choice how much you want this wave, and wave height I will increase a little bit. Okay, and wave speed will be also increased. Okay, now let's see the animation here. Okay, now select this shape layer 1 and press P. Okay, now go to 3 seconds and here make a keyframe here. Okay, now let's go to like 0 second and make it down. Okay, now select these two keyframe and press F9 to ease this. Now let's see the animation here. Okay, it's fine. Now here if you like workspace is look like this, press this toggle switch and mode, and here you will find this preset toggle link. Okay, or you can like select this, so you will get this track matte. Okay, so here the liquid text will be like none, and here you choose alpha mesh shifter 1. Okay, now let's see the animation. Okay, our like liquid animation is done already, but what we'll do now, select this tool layer and press Ctrl D to duplicate. Okay, in this tool layer make it a little bit back. Okay, now select this first text layer, liquid layer, and go to like character and change the color. I will make it blue. Okay, now let's see the animation here. Okay, here what you can do, if you go to like shape layer 2 And here you can okay, here you can decrease the wave width and also the height. Okay, and if you select the shape layer tool and go to P select and use P, so you get the keyframe. So like if you make it like this, then this tool will be like totally near. Okay, now select this tool layer and press also Ctrl D to duplicate and also increase it. Okay, now here if we go to liquid 2 and if I press T opacity and decrease a little bit like 50%. Okay, now you see the animation here. Okay, here is totally fine for me, but what you can do, you can also like match up these two layers. Okay, and also decrease the height a little, or can like little bit 10, and width also. Okay, and here width also you can decrease. Okay, so you can see now. Okay, here it is. So in this way you can make these types of animation. Okay, I can also like okay make it here. Okay. So it will be if you own choice how you can make this animation here. We have to little bit change this keyframe so it look like good. Okay, yeah, for me it's totally fine. So in this way you can make this animation here. You can do a new thing here. You can add some noise, so go effect and presets and search noise. Okay, here the noise and grains, here you get the noise, so select it in the like liquid 3 and increase the amount. Okay, like 42% or 47%, and Ctrl C and paste it in liquid 2 by pressing Ctrl V, and also the liquid 1 by pressing Ctrl V. So this is the noise. This also look too much fresh and amazing, like sand is also there and all the bubbles. So you can also use this noise effect here, or you can just go to liquid 3 and off this noise, others this two will be the noise. Okay, so this is also awesome, like see. Okay, so in this way you can make these types of animation here, this liquid grain animation. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next tutorial. Till then, goodbye.